Every banknote begins with raw fibers entering a guarded industrial chain.
Consistency starts with breaking every fiber into equal form.
The cleaning stage removes every trace of contamination. The fibers move immediately into controlled preparation systems.
Precision chemistry protects the life of the currency.
Purified pulp becomes the foundation of durable currency paper.
Refinement determines the strength hidden inside every note.
Every stage inside the facility remains tightly controlled.
The prepared mixture travels deeper into the production floor.
Uniform texture is critical before printing can begin.
Paper formation begins with controlled separation from water. Heat lock structure into the developing security paper. Balanced moisture prevents weakness inside the final currency.
Every millimeter is measured before approval.
Nothing usable inside the facility goes to waste. From this point, every sheet becomes tightly accounted for.
The transformation from paper to national currency is about to begin.
The raw paper now enters the most protected stage of production. Automation keeps the flow precise and uninterrupted.
Every sheet travels through layers of monitored transport.
Prepared materials move closer to the printing sector.
Every transfer is documented before printing begins.
Precision plates carry the identity of the nation's currency.
Specialized inks prepare the presses for national production.
The presses awaken as production nears.
Color and identity emerge from synchronized industrial motion.
Precision cutting defines the final dimensions of every note. Only flawless sheets continue through the secure process.
Controlled conditions preserve long-term durability.
Automated systems measure details invisible to the human eye. Recovered fibers return to the beginning of the process.
Every movement inside the facility remains under surveillance.
The production chain descends deeper into the secured facility. The facility operates as one connected industrial ecosystem. Production flows continuously across multiple factory levels.
Pressure gives the paper its final structural consistency.